Alright guys, as you can see, I've got my thermometer here, and my chocolate should be a little over 120 degrees, like 123, 124, and that's perfectly fine. What we're going to do is we're going to slow down that heat, and what we do is we get about a third of the chocolate that you put in there, and you're going to put a third that's not melted in there. This is called tempering. So just like with eggs, we're slowly bringing the heat down. So, okay. Then you're just going to stir in, and you're going to let this slowly melt. And then what it's going to do is what we've done to melt chocolate is you've melted the cocoa butter and separated the cocoa butter from the actual chocolate itself. All right. So now we're trying to slowly form it back together so that when we cool it down to the 87 degrees that we want it to be, it will give that beautiful shine and that beautiful crack, you know. So what we're doing is we're just slowly helping it cool itself down. And when you get to about 100 degrees, you know, obviously you're going to continue to stir. You know, you're going around the bowl. You know, you're melting this chocolate that's in here, you know, kind of coming up like this. I've actually used my hairdryer on the cool setting and actually cooled it that way. But I think the quickest way is to sit it in the fridge for about 5 minutes and then stir, you know, come back and check the temperature, and maybe do for another 2 minutes. But as you can see, all that chocolate got melted. So all that's in there. I'm actually going to throw a little bit more in there because it's a little bit hotter than I want it to be. So I'm going to throw a couple more pieces in there and just get those going. Alright. Alright, and this process will take a while, but once it gets down to 87 degrees, then you're ready to pour into your molds.